Today in this tutorial, I want to share how to use a soil moisture sensor with a 5-volt relay and DC water pumps. So we're going to control DC water pump with this soil moisture sensor, and we're not going to use Arduino Uno for this project. If you want to know how to control with Arduino Uno to control all these things, you can check my video on the previous. I will put the link on this video. So we're not going to use any microcontroller for this project. So the important is this soil moisture sensor will work a 5-volt, but if we don't have a 5-volt, we still can use up to 6-volt. So same goes to a water pump. This will work up to a 6-volt. And the relay, of course, we're going to use for 5-volt, which will be paired, which will be same voltage with a soil moisture sensor, a relay, and our supply. We are going to use 6-volt battery because we don't have 5-volt battery right here. So one battery is a 1.5 voltage. So you can check. So you can check on the body of the battery here. You see right here, this is AA battery and 1.5 voltage. So 1.5 volt for 4 pieces, this will become 6-volt. So the sensor we still can accept to work for the 6-volt, and the relay, of course, this will handle up to 6-volt as well. So what we're going to do is here, this is sensor we have here is jumper wire female to female. There is no positive and negative for this sensor and this module board, so you can just connect any side right here, and make sure you're using the good jumper wire. Otherwise, if your connection, even though it's correct, if your cable is not, your jumper wire is not good, and this will not work. So we have to make sure we are using the good cable. So here we already connect jumper wire and the sensor here. So VCC we connect to a positive. I make one jumper wire from male to a female. I separate it to 2 female here, one for a relay, one for this sensor. So positive we connect to positive of the battery here, and the negative, which is ground we connect to ground here, and that's very pretty simple here. And what we see here, our module is work here, so the power is on. So to make sure that we can check either this module is work, so to do that we can use any test pen. So once we link these two here, you will see there's a signal LED will be light up. So we make sure our sensor is work. So now we can see our sensor is work. So whenever there is a web here, okay, I can touch to web soil here. Okay, the sensor is work. So which means from the 2 pins is web and short together, and the signal will come out here, and the signal we send to the relay. I'll remove this first. So we make sure our sensors work. And the next relay, this is 5-volt. So relay 5-volt VCC we connect to here, the VCC, which is a 6-volt, and the ground we connect to the ground. Okay, now connection is done. And of course, the relay to the sensor, the signal we get it from here. This is signal A0. We have to use A0 here and connect to in. So let's check. And here's the web swipe. If I connect here, and if I touch to the web swipe, So the relay is work. So currently our soil is wet, so we don't have to put water, which means we don't have to we don't have to pour any water to this soil here. The soil is already wet. So if I remove, which means the soil is dry. This must be a connection, right? So okay, I remove this thing first. So how we're going to connect DC water pump, which is 5 volt, which is 6 volt as well. So for positive, we're going to take the positive here. Positive we connect to the relay output COM, COM, which is common. So positive will be into common and out from normally close. So positive into COM and out from normally close, and negative we directly connect to negative input out. So now our water pump is working. At the moment the power is on, the water pump is already on. So which means the soil is in the dry position. If I put it to the soil here, to the web here, and the pump is off. So I cannot bring the water from here. If you have the water tank, you can put into the water tank, and we have to use the water tube to pour it to the pot here. So now currently the soil is wet and the water pump will be off. When the soil is dry, then the water will be the pump will be turned on. So if I remove this sensor, which is dry position, I have the plants over here and the soil is currently wet. So water pumps, the water, we don't have to turn it on. So if the soil is dry, then the water pump will be turned on. So in case if you don't have the power, the battery here, you can use for a power bank. Here I have power bank here, which is 5 volt, and of course there, this is positive. Positive will goes to positive here, and negative will goes to negative. So you still can use power bank here. And I hope this video will help for someone. If you think this video is helpful, please help me to support, a like and share, and you can ask anything inside the comment. So thank you for watching my video.